It's no secret that pineapple is the most polarizing pizza topping out there. Whether you love it or hate it, here's how to make a felt version for your felted slice. I'm using light yellow wool. I pull off a little strip of the wool and then start to fold it into a little wad. Right now, it should be about the size of the pineapple that I want in the end. If it's way too big, it won't look realistic. Now I'm working to sculpt my pineapple with the felting needle. I hold it down with my pointer finger and stab the rest of it with the needle. After 30 seconds or so, the pineapple starts holding together, so I can peel it off of the blue foam and turn it over. Then I felt it from the back side for a while. Now I'm working on the flat end of the pineapple. I take turns working on the different edges so that the edges get kind of flattened out and it looks like it's chopped, like real pineapple looks. At this point, I've been felting for a minute or two, and the shape is really starting to show. But I want to smooth out the texture so that it's not quite so fuzzy and hairy. So I'm using really shallow little stabs into the pineapple, so the tip of my felting needle doesn't go all the way through. The tip of the needle ends up inside the pineapple as I'm felting. I spent about 5 minutes working on my pineapple piece to make it really smooth. To attach the pineapple piece to the slice, I use the felting needle, and I like to stab kind of behind the pineapple and into the slice so that the pineapple doesn't get flattened out at all. I want to add a little bit more definition, so I have some darker yellow fiber that I'll pull off into a little wisp and roll in my fingers. Then I'll take that little teeny strip and felt it right onto the edge of the pineapple. I'm adding another thin strip of gold right on the top of my pineapple so that it looks like a little stripe. You won't notice it too much because the gold and the light yellow are really similar colors, but it will give it a lot more dimension and kind of a realistic look. Here's my finished pineapple. I ended up making 3 pieces for this slice. Continue your felted pizza journey with the next video of your choice. Happy felting!